The wiper washer lever to the right of the steering column operates your windshield wipers and washer. Rotate the wiper knob to one of the first two positions for intermittent wipers. Rotate it to the third position for low-speed wipers. Rotate it to the fourth position for high-speed wipers. Hold the lever upward and the high-speed wipers will run as long as the lever is held. This feature is perfect for unexpected splashes or passing situations in the rain. If equipped with rain-sensing wipers, you can turn them on in your Uconnect settings. Use the lever to make the rain-sensing feature more or less sensitive. Wiper delay position 1 is the least sensitive, and wiper delay position 2 is the most sensitive. Pull the lever toward you to spray the washers. The wipers will operate until you release the lever, and will continue for a few wipes after you release it. To activate the rear window wiper, rotate the control to the first position for intermittent rear wipers. Rotate it to the second position for continuous rear wipers. To spray the rear window washer, push the lever away from you. The rear washer will spray and the wiper will run as you hold the lever. When you release the lever, the rear wiper will continue for a few wipes before finishing. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.